In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the ManyChat affiliate program. If you're looking to earn some affiliate income by promoting the ManyChat platform, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started today. First, you'll want to head over to the ManyChat Partner Program page. You can easily find this by doing a quick search in your browser or by navigating directly to the ManyChat website. Once you land on the page, keep an eye out for a button that says Join Now. This is your gateway to becoming part of the affiliate program. Once you've clicked Join Now, you'll be redirected to an application page. Here, you'll start by entering your first name. This is a required field, so make sure you fill it out accurately as this information will be part of your affiliate profile. Next, you'll be asked to enter your last name. Again, ensure that you provide the correct details, as this will help ManyChat verify your identity. Following that, you'll need to fill in your email address. Choose an email that you check regularly, as important communications and updates from ManyChat will be sent here. Be sure to avoid typos to ensure you receive all pertinent information regarding your affiliate account. The next step involves entering your company name. If you're an individual without a company, you might consider entering your personal brand or name. ManyChat uses this to understand more about their affiliates' backgrounds. After the company name, you'll have the option to input your phone number. This step is optional, but providing a phone number can help ManyChat reach you easily if needed. Then, you'll select your country from a drop-down list. This helps ManyChat understand where their affiliates are located globally, and it ensures you're in a region where affiliate operations are supported. One interesting part is the questionnaire section. You'll select an option that best describes you from a list. Are you a marketer, a business owner, or maybe an influencer? This information will help ManyChat tailor their communications and offers to suit your needs. Following that, you'll answer how familiar you are with ManyChat. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, be honest about your experience. This feedback allows ManyChat to provide the right resources to support you. Continuing, you'll mention where you heard about the ManyChat Partner Program. Was it through a friend, a webinar, or maybe an online ad? Sharing this helps ManyChat understand what outreach methods work best. Now let's focus on your promotional strategies. You'll describe how you plan to promote ManyChat, including your various traffic sources and marketing practices. It's helpful to think about your strengths in promoting products and how ManyChat fits into your existing strategies. Lastly, you'll provide proof of reach. You'll need to include a link to a platform where you plan to promote ManyChat, like your YouTube channel, blog, or social media profile. This helps ManyChat gauge your promotional potential and, if required, verify your reach. Once you've completed all these steps, you'll be ready to submit your application. Good luck, and I hope you find great success with ManyChat's affiliate program.